So we break it right here. So, Harmony operating system, Huawei's own OS as an alternative of Android. Well, the operating system is now spreading like wildfire because HarmonyOS comes with various distributed features that are basically designed to provide a seamless, interconnected user experience. Therefore, every Huawei smartphone user across the globe wants to install this new operating system as soon as possible. And why not though? Because it's one of the biggest updates Huawei users are getting. Anyhow, the OS is spreading really fast. If you remember, during an office product launch event, Huawei announced that HarmonyOS has crossed 1 million upgrades in China, but the celebration was global. Yes, the success must be shared with every bit of Huawei consumer, and now, within the next 15 days, Huawei's president announced that 120 million devices now have Harmony operating system update in smartphones and smart devices. And this is a huge step and a milestone from Huawei that is very hard to achieve by any mobile software maker, but the Chinese tech giant did it with the help of its consumers. But yeah, I would like to include that, and it's the most disappointing thing. Not a single global Huawei phone got the update of Harmony operating system. I don't know why though, but now Huawei fans around the globe wants Harmony operating system update. Look, we have been waiting for around 3 months now, and nobody seems to have any information regarding the global Harmony operating system release date, or even you can say the launch of EMUI 12. And that's not fair at all. I'm using the Huawei's Mate 40 Pro right now, and I tried every single way to have the operating system in my phone, but it's not working. At the same time, I know there could be many factors that have caused the delays of Harmony operating system global arrival. On the other hand, we seemingly believe that the Chinese software maker is now working to resolve the ongoing issues to put Harmony operating system in global users' hands. We definitely want Huawei to touch new heights with the Harmony operating system, but the question of global consumers is also valid and reasonable. Therefore, their questions must be satisfied and fulfilled as soon as possible. So Huawei, if you're listening somehow, please let us know when the Harmony operating system global version is coming. With that said, you know what? According to the latest data, since the launch date of Harmony operating system 2.0 for smartphones on June 2, 2021, over 1 million users have been upgrading their devices each day on average. This is phenomenal, and this is a huge revealing, but I would say it's not surprising compared to the speed that every Huawei smartphone owner wants to upgrade with this new operating system as soon as it's available for them. And it's a huge success. And honestly, if you think again, 1 million users have been upgrading their devices each day on average in China. Like, it's spreading on that level. So what do you think about this huge news? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And if you somehow found this video interesting, then a sub to the channel would be a great reward for me. So as always, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Bye.